Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now today's video is going to be another haul. I'm so embarrassed, but you guys love my haul videos so much and I love shopping so much, so I thought why not to make another haul video. So today's haul video is going to be Nykaa Hot Pink Sale haul. नायका पे सेल लगी और शॉपिंग कोई लड़की ना करे ऐसा तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई शॉप्ड एंड आई शॉप्ड अ लिटिल टू मच दिस टाइम. यूजुअली जब भी सेल लगती है आई बाय अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन केयर, बट दिस टाइम आई बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू मेकअप. आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप वीडियोज एंड आई वाज काइंड ऑफ गेटिंग बोर्ड ऑफ यूजिंग द सेम मेकअप ब्रांड, सो आई थॉट ऑफ trying new makeup. And जब सेल लगी so of course I went a little crazy like always. So I went a little crazy and I bought a huge box of makeup and a little bit of skincare. So मेरा सारा पार्सल इसी में आया था. इनफैक्ट अभी भी मेरी 2-4 चीज़ें रहती हैं, मुझे अभी तक डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है वो. इट्स ओके, आई स्टिल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ टू शो यू गाइज. एंड या आई बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, सो इट्स गोना बी अ लॉन्ग वीडियो. सो ग्रैब अ कप ऑफ कॉफी, सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो. एंड फॉर अ गर्ल हु लव्स मेकअप, शी विल enjoy watching this video. And now without any more talking, I'm quickly gonna show you guys what all I've got. But one more thing, that I have done my makeup today using a lot of new makeup products that I've bought in this haul. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys about that as well, and I'm gonna mention the link of all the products that I've bought in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. So without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys all the skincare and hair care that I've bought. So the very first thing that I've bought is a shampoo and a conditioner from Herbal Essence. मैं कोई नायका हॉल करूँ और उसमें नया शैम्पू कंडीशनर ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So this time I've bought Herbal Essence shampoo. This is how the packaging looks. It's a Herbal Essence Bio Renew Moisture Shampoo. It is made out of rosemary and herbs. So I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. So I really wanted to give it a shot. And also the price of this shampoo is so inexpensive, like for the quantity as compared to the other shampoos that I've used till now. So it was really inexpensive. I'm sorry about that. So it was really inexpensive. That is the reason I wanted to try. And this shampoo is perfect, to achieve those flowy, silky hair texture. So that's why I wanted to get this one. And with this, I already of course got the conditioner from the same range. So I've got this combo. This was really inexpensive. Like this entire combo was for rupees 800 and you get 400 ml quantity in this. So that's something really good. And yeah, I haven't really started using it because I'm already using my previous Vela shampoo. But I'm about to get over with that one. So I'm going to start using it soon. And I'm going to post a review of this shampoo and conditioner on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me now. My Instagram handle is going to be right here. So yeah, I've got this combo of Herbal Essence. This is how the conditioner looks. And also I really love the packaging. Like it's in this purple color and I'm currently obsessed with colors like purple, lilac, pink. I love all these colors. And there's one thing about me that I cannot stick to one particular brand. Like I love to use different brands. So this is also one of the reasons that I wanted to try Herbal Essence range, and that's the reason I got it. So yeah, this is my first purchase. Now the other things that I've got is from the brand Mamaearth. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So the first thing that I've bought from Mamaearth is their Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. This is how the packaging looks. I have been using it for about like 1 week now. I haven't noticed any difference yet. मतलब मुझे अभी भी ऐसा कोई acne spot में कोई खास difference लगा नहीं है. But I think this will take time. So I'm gonna use it for another month and see if it really works. But yes, मुझे 1 हफ्ता हो गया इसको use करते हुए and मुझे अभी तक इतना कोई difference नहीं लगा अपने acne spots में. But yeah, it smells amazing. This serum smells so amazing. It has like a very thin oil texture. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Right? So this has a very thin texture, which is good to apply in summers. It is not sticky at all. So yeah, this is what I really love about this serum. So yeah, this is one thing that I've got from Mamaearth. Now talking about the ingredients of this serum. So this serum has ginger extract. It also has something called niacinamide, which I really don't know what it is. And it also has B3+. It's paraben free, it's silicone free, which is also good. It's perfect for acne prone skin and helps to reduce your acne marks and scars. Other thing that I've got from Mamaearth is their vitamin C face toner. So this is how the packaging looks. It's in 200 ml quantity, so it's their vitamin C face toner. This has vitamin C and cucumber in it. It's great for pore tightening, and I've got a little pore issues here. So yeah, it's great for pore tightening tightening, it's alcohol free, and it suits all skin types. So this is the reason that I've got this. I haven't started using it yet because again I'm using my previous toner. I only like using new products when I'm done with my previous ones. So yeah, I have bought these two things from Mamaearth, and with that I got their Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar moisturizing cream free. So this is how the packaging looks. It's worth ₹300. So this I got it for free with the other two products in sale time. So yeah, the other thing that I've bought in skincare is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizing Cream. This is what I've got. This is how the outer packaging looks. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. So this is how the inner packaging looks. It's a beautiful moisturizer. I am using it currently. It's very lightweight, it's non-sticky, it's non-oily, non-greasy. It's perfect to use it in summers, and I've heard a lot of good things about Simple brand. Like, I've used their products, I have used their wet tissues, I've used their face wash, their micellar water. So it's a good range. It is not at all heavy on pockets, so it's good for somebody who is looking to buy a good moisturizing cream in budget. So they can definitely go ahead with this product. I'm already using it from the past 1 week and I have no complaints at all. Now I really do not remember the pricing of each and every product, so I'm gonna try and mention the link of the products in the description box below, और मुझे अगर किसी का भी pricing याद होगा तो I would let you know. The other skincare product that I've bought is from the brand Plum. It is their green tea face mist. It's my first time that I'm using Plum brand, and yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about Plum brand, but I never used it because I get so comfortable using my regular brands that I really hesitate a bit to try new brands. But this time I made sure to try new brands, like I did mostly, maybe no. It's beautiful, it is not at all harsh on skin, and yeah, it smells amazing, it smells divine. So this is what I've got. It's their what is the quantity? It's a 100 ml bottle, and this is for about ₹360. Yeah, so this is what you get for ₹360. It's good, it's nice, like it's perfect to use in summer. So I'm someone who loves mist. I just keep spraying it on my face all the time because since the time I've started working from home, looking at the laptop every single time makes my skin dull. So I really love using something on my face to keep it hydrated all the time. So I love using face mist. So this is the reason that I bought this, and I really wanted to try Plum as a brand. So yeah, that's that. Another thing that I've got is from the brand Innisfree. Now जो Innisfree का मैंने main प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया था वो मुझे अभी तक डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है, बट उसके साथ जो उनका फ्रीबी था वो मुझे डिलीवर हो गया है. सो इट्स देयर Innisfree green tea trio kit. So this is what I've received as a freebie, and I've not received the main product. So I actually ordered their green tea seed eye cream, just to treat my dark circles. बट मुझे अभी तक वो डिलीवर नहीं हुई है. उसकी जगह मुझे ये 3 इनके फ्रीबीज मिल गए हैं, which comes in this packaging. So yeah, these are the 3 freebies that I've got with their eye cream. Now the other thing that I've got is again one of my favorites. So it's the Nivea body moisturizing cream. I'm sorry. Okay. So the other thing that I've bought is from the brand Nivea. Nivea is again one of my favorite brands. It is the most inexpensive and the beautiful brand. So this time I've bought Nivea body moisturizing lotion. So this is how the packaging looks. इससे पहले मैंने उनका वो रोज वाला वेरिएंट यूज किया था. So it is their tender coconut and tiar oil, which I really don't know what it is. So basically it has mainly coconut in it, and I really love the fragrance of it. So that's why I got it. Nivea's body lotions are the best, guys. लेकिन जब मैं आगे थोड़े products दिखाऊंगी ना तो ये contradictory हो जाएगी बात. But yeah, Nivea's products are the best. So yeah, I have bought this body lotion, which is again 400 ml in quantity, and it's very inexpensive too. So I guess I just paid about like what? I don't know, maybe 300 something for it. So yeah, this is what it is. The other thing that I've bought from the brand Nivea is, I don't know, मुझे इसे स्किन केयर में कंसिडर करना चाहिए था या मेकअप में, but yeah, I have bought their micellar water. So this is how the packaging looks. It's again huge in size. It is 400 ml quantity. It is their micellar skin breathe cleansing water, which is perfect for face, eyes, lips. It's their 3-in-1 makeup remover. It's good for normal skin. I've already used their rose wala variant. This time I wanted to try something different, so that's why I've got this. Now the other things that I've got, I'm so excited for this. Okay, तो जैसे नायका में मुझे पता लगा कि Bath and Body Works आ गया है, so I went a little mad. ठीक है, I went a little mad, and of course I had to buy it. So I got 4 different products from Bath and Body Works. Okay, I got their 1000 Wishes. So I got their 1000 Wishes range, which is like this combo, which is like this combo. So I got their body cream, I got their shower gel and their body mist. उस पर बहुत ही अच्छा ऑफर लगा हुआ था. So it was like buy 2 and get 2 free. And with that I also got another body lotion from Bath and Body Works. So I'm gonna show it to you guys one by one. So the first product that I've got from Bath and Body Works is their 1000 Wishes 24-hour moisture ultra sheer body cream. So this is how the packaging looks. Just look at it, you guys. It looks so amazing. It's in this rose gold color and it's got all this beautiful sparkle at the top, which I really love. So 1000 marks for the packaging. So Bath and Body Works recently launched on Nykaa, and I was so happy about it because earlier before COVID-19, you know, I used to visit the malls and just buy it from their store directly क्योंकि उनकी खुद ही वेबसाइट थी जहाँ पे तुम ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर सकते थे. बट मेरा मॉल में चक्कर लग ही जाता था एंड आई यूज टू बाय डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द स्टोर. एंड जब से कोविड हुआ मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स खत्म हो गए एंड उसके बाद आई कुडंट गेट माई हैंड्स ऑन देम. एंड व्हेन आई केम टू नो कि बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स नायका पे आ गए, so I went a little crazy there. So of course I had to order it. So this is what I've got. The other product that I've got is there again from the same range. It's their 1000 Wishes Fine Fragrance Mist. It is amazing. Like this particular combination is amazing. I use it and it smells divine. I smell divine. The other thing that I've got is again from the same range. It's their 1000 Wishes Shower Gel. So this is how the packaging looks, same as the previous ones. So मैंने बस ये कॉम्बो खरीदा क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उससे ना ज़्यादा अच्छा इफेक्ट रहता है, उनकी फ्रेगरेंस का काफ़ी टाइम तक रहता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गॉट दिस कॉम्बो. एंड उसके साथ आई ऑर्डर दिस अनदर body lotion from Bath and Body Works. This is how the packaging looks. It looks so amazing. Like, just see the bottle. It looks so luxurious. Like, if you're looking forward to gift something to your girlfriend, your sister, to any girl out there, just gift her this. I'm telling you, she'll be impressed. She'll love you for life. Just gift her this from Bath and Body Works. Like any range, any range, they all smell divine and they all smell amazing because it's something that every girl wants it. So if you're looking forward to gift anything to your friend, your sister, your girlfriend, your wife, just go ahead with it. Hands down the best option. Now the other things in skincare that I'm going to show you guys are very miscellaneous. So the first thing that I've bought are these cotton pads. These are like Bella cotton pads. These are perfect to remove your makeup, so that's why I've got this. The other thing that I've got is again from Nivea. I forgot to show you guys earlier, but it is their Nivea deodorant. It's something that I use it daily and it's one of the essentials. So yeah, that's what I have got. The other thing that I've got is Indulekha oil. So this is what I've got. It's their Indulekha Bring oil. I've heard a lot of good things about Indulekha oil and I wanted to try it on because मेरे बाल, they are not behaving properly. Like अभी पहले से तो condition काफी better हो गया है, but still I really wanted to try some good hair nourishment oils. That's why I've got this. And the last thing that I've got in skincare is Nykaa sheet mask. ये मैंने purchase नहीं किया है. So basically Nykaa has this thing that if you're shopping in your birthday month, they send you one freebie. So that's why I got this. Now मेरा birthday was in June. I don't know. तब उनके पास वो code नहीं आया था. मेरा ये code आया बाद में, which is valid till September. So I used it with this entire shop. It's a freebie. It's a sheet mask, and मैंने Nykaa के कभी भी sheet mask use नहीं करे. So I'm really looking forward to use this one. And yeah. So we are done with all the skincare, hair care, body care, and now let's quickly move to the makeup. So the first thing that I've bought is Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. So I've bought this Nykaa foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks. Focus. Why are you not focusing? Yeah. So this is how the outer packaging looks. I'm just gonna open it for you guys. It was really easy to find my shade. I don't know why, but it was really easy and I was able to get the right shade. So yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks. I have already used this twice. It's beautiful. It sits beautifully on your skin and it's perfectly handy to carry it anywhere. Plus the shade that I've bought really matches well to my skin tone. The shade that I've got is 03 Warm Sand. So yeah, this is one thing that I've got. So the other thing that I've got is Nykaa Lash Talk False Eyelashes. Now if you're wondering where are the eyelashes, I'm currently wearing it. So it's their major length eyelashes. So they basically help you in lengthening your eyelashes. You know, all the eyelashes that I currently have are very heavy. Like they are all meant for, you know, festival purpose or for party purpose. So I really wanted to get something light. So that's why I've got this. I'm currently wearing it. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So yeah, I've got this very basic eyelashes from the brand Nykaa, and it also comes with free eyelash glue, so that's another good thing about it. Now the other thing that I've bought from Nykaa is their Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. So yeah, this is how the outer packaging looks. I really love this range of Nykaa lipsticks, and I really wanted to try this shade in particular. I already have their Dilli shade with me, which is kind of pink in color, and I really wanted to get something in a deep tone, so that's why I've got this. This is how the inner packaging looks. I'm currently wearing this lipstick on my lips and it is perfect. Like, it sits beautifully on my lips. It's non-sticky. It doesn't feel heavy on lips. So yeah, this is what I've got, and this is the shade that I'm wearing it currently. And look who I have here. Hello. Hello. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Say hi to everyone now. Moving on to the next Nykaa lipstick that I've got is their Nykaa Gloss It Up. This is how the outer packaging looks, which I've already ruined. I'll just show you the color. It's beautiful. So it's from their Gloss It Up range. It's basically a gloss. The shade number is 02 Sweet Angel. So I've got this. I'm so much into glosses these days. I think they look perfect. I already have two different shades from this range, from their Gloss It Up range. One in the red color and the other one is in Honey Boo, which is a nude color. I wanted to try their pink gloss, so that's why I've got this. I'll just show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. So yeah, this is what I've got. Those are all the things that I've bought from Nykaa, and now I'm gonna show you guys what all I've got from Kay Beauty. So the first thing that I've bought from Kay Beauty is their Nail Nourish Nail Lacquer. This is how it looks. I've got this in the lavender color. This is what I'm currently wearing it on my nails. It's a beautiful lilac shade, and you guys know that I'm so much into lilacs and pinks, so of course I had to get it, this one. The other thing that I've got is Kay Beauty Matinee Lip Crayon. So this is how the outer packaging looks. I already have this in a different color, which is like a hot pink color, so I really wanted to get a nude shade, and I've heard a lot of good things about their Billboard shade. So it is their beautiful nude color. The shade name is Billboard, and I have heard a lot of bloggers talking about this shade, so I really wanted to give this a try. So that's why I've got this. I'm just gonna open it. ये मेरे को आज ही सुबह deliver हुआ है. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it and will show you guys how it looks. So yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks. Just like all the lipsticks. It's a beautiful nude color shade, as you guys can see. So yeah, I really wanted to try it on, so that's why I've got this. So these two products I have not purchased from Nykaa Hot Pink sale, so I bought them recently. That's why they got me delivered today. So I basically wanted to try Kay Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, which is newly launched on Nykaa. I really wanted to try it on, so I ordered that, and there was some offer that if you order 1500 rupees stuff, you get their Kay Beauty Lip Topper free. So that's why I've ordered this lipstick and that nail paint along with the illuminating highlighter, which is yet to be delivered. So I haven't received it yet, but as soon as I get it, I'm gonna post a story on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me now. So that was the total of about 1500, and with that I got this Kay Beauty Lip Topper free. So the shade was not mentioned, it was written any shade, so I've got this in the shade Unbeaten. So I'll just open it up and show you guys. This is how the inner packaging looks. It's basically a lip topper, which I guess can be used as an eyeshadow as well. So this is how it looks. We are done with Kay Beauty products, and now let's move to the brand Sugar. So I bought this kajal. No, not kajal. So basically it's an eyeliner. Yeah, so I bought this beautiful eyeliner from the brand Sugar. I really wanted to try Sugar as a brand. Like I have used their lipsticks before, but I really wanted to try other stuff. So I got their eyeliner. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा मोस्टली सिर्फ लॉरियल या मेबलिन के आईलाइनर्स यूज करती हूँ. आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड एनी अदर ब्रांड्स आईलाइनर, सो दैट्स द रीजन आई वांटेड टू ट्राई Sugar's one. So yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks. I've got Sugar's black eyeliner. It's their I Want You So, like I-E-Y-E, I Want You So double matte eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. I'm currently wearing it on my eyes. It's a beautiful eyeliner. It dries up quickly, so it's waterproof. And yeah, I'm currently wearing it. It's again a beautiful basic black eyeliner. And finally I got a new bronzer from the brand Sugar. You guys know na, I only use my L'Oreal wala contour shade, so I really wanted to buy a new one. That's why I got this Sugar bronzer. This is how the outer packaging looks. Oops. This is how the outer packaging looks. It's their Sugar Contour Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper 01. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful bronzer. I am currently again wearing it on my face. I have actually made a whole video of this makeup look on my IGTV. So if you are not following me there, please go follow me on my Instagram. I have uploaded an IGTV of this beautiful makeup look in which I'm also using this bronzer. So yeah, this is what I've got. Now with these two items, I was so lucky, I don't know why. But yeah, with these two items, I got this beautiful mini liquid lipstick set from Sugar Free. Can you guys imagine it? It's the mini liquid lipstick. So it's beautiful, like look at it. I got these 4 lipsticks free. Oh, I was freaking out. So these are its 4 beautiful shades which are amazing. I'm not gonna open it right now and show it to you guys, but all these shades are lovely, are amazing. One of them is red, pink, nude and brown. I've made a swatch video of these lipsticks on my Instagram, so yes, you will have to check out my Instagram to know what all beautiful shades are there. The next thing that I've got is from the brand Maybelline. Maybelline का कुछ ना आए ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So yeah, I've got Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. This is what it looks like. So I'm in the shade 25 medium. This is how it looks. I have used it once or twice. It's beautiful. It sits beautifully on the skin. So yeah, that's that. The other thing that I've got is from the brand Wet n Wild. So I've got the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. So this is how it looks. It comes with a little blush brush. It's in the shade Apricot in the middle. So it's kind of a peach tone blush. This is how it looks. It comes with a little blush brush here. This thing also works as a highlighter along with the blush. So as you guys can see, like I'm currently wearing it on my cheeks and I haven't used any highlighter. Can you guys see that how beautifully it has highlighted my cheeks along with the blush? So yeah, I really love this product and I think it's gonna be my next obsession. So yeah, that's that. And the last thing that I've bought is from the brand NYX. So it's basically their lip scrub. It's in this nose shaped tin. So this is how it looks. So I wanted to buy a lip scrub from the very longest time because you know, we usually scrub our body, our face, but I never even cared of scrubbing my lips. And I think मैं इतने सारे अलग-अलग ब्रांड की लिपस्टिक्स लगाती हूँ which has got different ingredients. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं मेरे lips black हो जाए and I need to scrub them. That's why I've got this NYX lip scrub. I haven't started using it yet. This is also something that I didn't get from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. ये मैंने K Beauty के साथ order किया. So I just washed it a little bit to see its texture. So this has very minute granules which I think is perfect to scrub your lips with. Something very harsh can really damage your lips, so that's why I really loved it. I read good reviews about it, so that's why I wanted to try it on. I'm soon gonna start using it and will let you guys know about it. So yeah, this is what I have got. This is my last purchase and I bought it for rupees 650. I clearly remember it क्योंकि sale में नहीं लिया मैंने. So that's it for the video, guys. These are the things that I've bought from Nykaa Hot Pink sale, except just few things. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul video, and if you want to buy any of these products, I'm gonna try and mention the link of all the products in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite product out of this entire haul. And yeah, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I am gonna post a lot of swatch videos there on my Instagram. So yeah, do check out my Instagram and follow me there. My Instagram handle is gonna be right here. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel. उसके साथ एक छोटू सा bell icon होता है, उसको भी please दबाना so that every time I post a video you get notified. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.